Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. Mr. Speaker, sir, foreign reserves represent Fiji's stock of foreign currencies and overseas assets held by the Reserve Bank of Fiji to support Fiji's external obligation and to preserve our economic and financial stability. As at 22nd of May this week, or last week, the Reserve Bank holds around Fiji dollar 3.41 billion in foreign reserves, and that is equivalent to around 4.9 months of retained imports. This level is considered adequate and is expected to remain sufficient in the near to medium term. Most of the reserves are investable reserves, actively invested in the currencies of Fiji's major trading partners and readily available for immediate needs. The remaining non-investable reserves, approximately 15% or around 511 million, are kept for specific purposes and may also be used when required. Mr. Speaker, sir, in 2021, following the COVID-19 pandemic, the IMF allocated around 94 million special drawing rights, approximately around Fiji dollars 286 million to Fiji, as part of a global effort to aid member countries in their recovery efforts. This greatly boosted the level of gross foreign reserve at that time. As the Fijian economy continued to recover, the reserves level continued to increase, hitting multiple highs. The highest peak of around 3.96 billion was on November 2025. However, reserves have fallen since due to the seasonal outflows and added challenges posed by the current global energy crisis. As a critical national asset, the Reserve Bank of Fiji prudently manages the risk on reserves to ensure it remains adequate and safe, also liquid, and generates sustainable returns over time. Mr. Speaker, sir, to preserve the value of our reserves against currency volatility in international markets, our holdings are well diversified across the currencies in our exchange rate basket. And this includes the US dollars, Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar, euro, and Japanese yen, which comprise our investable reserves. Our non-investable reserves, which are the special drawing rights and gold, are well balanced in terms of asset holding and liabilities, which provide a natural hedge against adverse movements in value. And foreign reserves, Mr. Speaker, sir, are wholly invested in high quality assets with a range of reputable issuers to ensure that reserves are safe and available when the need arises. To manage market risk that could result in losses in the value of reserves, the maturity of our holdings is set at a maximum of 3 years, while all investments longer than 1 year are of the highest credible grade, which is capital A, AAA. And income from reserve holdings, Mr. Speaker, sir, continue to increase at a sustainable pace, with a record income of around 140.9 million Fiji dollars in the last financial year. Over the past 3 years, average net foreign income stood at around 117.23 million, supported by an average investable reserve level of around over 3 billion Fijian dollars. And net foreign income has increased substantially from around 38.9 million in July 2020 to around 140.9 million in 2025, and currently, as at May, It's running around 98.6 million. Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir.
Thank the Honourable the Minister of Finance, Honourable Esrom Immanuel.